Hey guys, Matt here again from Greensward. I want to talk a little bit today about the difference between Bermuda grass and Zoysia grass. Here in Virginia Beach, these are a couple really good grasses for us. We live in the transition zone, so we'll have fescue that grows here, which is a cool season grass, as well as multiple warm season grass from Bermuda grass to Zoysia, centipede, St. Augustine. So what I like to say is all the grasses are happy here, just not all at the same time. So if you look at the color definition, for sure, there's a little bit of an off-color green with the Bermuda grass, which is a great grass for lawns, golf courses, athletic fields. But in here, the homeowner decided to put some Zeon Zoysia grass, and it's just a really tighter grass. It has a little bit different of a color. You can see the stripes on it. It almost acts like a ryegrass sometimes. It's a really cool opportunity to dress up some areas if you have around your home. He wants to mow this nice and tight, so we're going to work with him in the springtime on some top dressing, some grooming to really get it on a tight turf. You can do that with Bermuda grass, but just not as well with the Zoysia grass. So another grass to think about when you're putting in a home lawn. It does go on golf course fairways and other playing surfaces, but really, just two great options for a home lawn situation here in Tidewater. Keep it green.